Hello everyone, welcome to Anvsoft AVC channel. Here is how to remove soft-coded subtitles from an MKV video and convert it to MP4 format. To simplify the process, just open any video converter and create a workflow. Click the workflow button. Add the file block and import an MKV video to it. Here, select the track extract and format convert tool to add to the workflow. Now, adjust the position of file block and tool block and then connect them. Enter the track extract interface. Navigate to the subtitle option. And you'll see the language of the subtitles included in the video. Select the subtitle you want to remove, press the X icon and click the OK button. Go to the Format Convert block and select the MP4 as the output format. You can also set the output video resolution. Finally, click the Start button to continue. Done. You can check the output video. Thank you for watching. If you like our videos, please click subscribe.